Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable autoplay videos you on Facebook, on your iPhone, or on Android. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes and write your comments after watching this video. And let's get started. So, first of course, we're going to open the Facebook app. Then we'll go to the menu section at the bottom. And then at the top, we click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here we scroll down a little bit to find the Settings section where we need to find Media. And here in the Media section, we find the autoplay settings. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, the default setting here is auto playback via mobile internet or via Wi-Fi. What can you do? You can either switch to Wi-Fi only autoplay video playback, which will save you mobile traffic, or you can absolutely disable autoplay video playback on Facebook. This is a very simple and easy way to disable autoplay videos on Facebook, whether you have an iPhone or Android. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon, friends.